Yo guys, what's up? Long time no seen. So today I want to show you a video spoofer you can use for your scaling. So if you have more accounts and you just generate a video, or you put some effort on one video and you want to upload it to more accounts, and the algo of Instagram will see that as new video, or if you want to use trial reels for example. So this is going to be the solution for you, and the beauty of that, this spoofer is free forever. Okay. So it's not like the software you need to pay online, like $20 a month, $100 a month. Some of them even take $200, guys, on fucking simple thing here. So I included it in my school, which I'm adding every week more stuff. As you can see, this is the OFM 2.0. Some strategies which nobody actually talking about. You can see retweet strategy, also put here. Threads creator, so you can just put all your images and in one click it's giving you the captions, and it's ready for upload to Buffer, which is, you can check online, it's a API, and then you can just connect the account and kind of forget about that, because all the photos are ready to go, okay, for uploading. Also clean motion automation, so you can just steal videos from TikTok, like hundreds, put your model face and body, and that's it, and you got that. And people still using clean motion, of course. It's the hottest thing right now, and a lot of good stuff will come. I'm trying to update every week, so the goal for me is just giving here value, and you're gonna pay only one-time payment, and the price is gonna be increased because I'm adding more stuff. So I'm gonna show you the spoofer. Okay. Yeah. So this is the spoofer. As you can see, you need to write very simple prompt. Let's do it together. So npm start. You will also have a guide inside, so you can do it yourself. So it's gonna open for you file picker. Okay, just downloaded 2 videos of random models. We're gonna use them. So you're gonna, let's say you have 2 videos that you just created, so you're gonna choose them and click enter. Now it's asking you how many variations you want to create. So let's say you have 5 accounts for each model, right? And you want to create 5 videos because you want to post the same one to all of them. So you click 5. Do you want to upscale the videos before creating? I highly suggest yes, because the quality will be better. Because spoofing is changing the colors, it's moving the video a little bit, it's sometimes changing. So I prefer to upscale, so I click yes. Scale factor, I'm gonna click 2. And now it's asking me if this is the output directory that I want to use, and I will say yes. You can choose it if you can change it if you want. Okay, now it's summarized for me. So it's 2 videos, 5 variations, right? Total is 10, upscale is 2, and this is going to be the name of the file. Okay, so it means this is the date, and total going to be 10, right? And then we're going to proceed. So we're going to click yes. Let me show you the reels. Not really matter, to be honest. It's just random reels, so nothing to see. So now it's spoofing them. It's creating the file. So you're gonna wait. You can go to drink coffee. You can do whatever you want. So first is upscaling the first reel and then spoof it. So you already have high quality for all the spoofed reels. It's gonna be the second one. I'm waiting with you guys to show you how it works. So it's created 5 variations pretty fast. As you can see, it's not like taking a lot of time. All the services you're using on Telegram or online, they're sending to server, it's take time. Sometimes they're getting errors. Yeah, so this is very straightforward. So as you can see, it's all gonna open for you the file that just created. You see it's right now, and then each one it's created 2 different folders, okay, for each video. So as you can see, 5 variations. The size of each video is different, which is important to show you the metadata is different. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the quality. So this is the first one, 8 seconds. Quality is pretty good, like pretty decent. I mean, tell me if you want it. It didn't fuck the quality that much, Sorry about the F word, but yeah. So you see, it's kind of changing the colors a bit, and it's even play with the length. Okay, you don't see it because it's really small, but yeah. This is the first one. This is the second one.
I know I was.
As you can see, 5.
Baby, I know I was a bad.
And of course different. Also very important, check if videos are different. So you can check them after you create them. So it's a checker, okay? Also, so you can say, yes, I want to check if the videos are different from each other. Now, there is a video checker here. It's gonna go all over them really quick and see if something looks similar. Okay, so results, all video appear different from each other, which is good. Each variation was created with different FFmpeg. This is what actually changing the video, you know, crop, color, whatever. Just explaining to you, it's probably gonna be the same message every time. But yeah, so it's safe to post, and there is yeah, that's it. So this is, guys, everything for today for the video spoofer. It's not free, okay? It's gonna be in the school community, so you can purchase the school community and then get access to it, but it's gonna stay free for you forever. And it will always be beneficial, because who the fuck want to create the same video, like different video for each account? You know, if you have 10 accounts, you will not create it like 10 different times. It's gonna be a lot of money, of course, and a lot of time. So you can just spoof it by yourself. Don't use these services for $200 a month, and that's it. If you have any more questions, you can of course ask below. Also have, as you know, my free Telegram channel. You can go down below as well, join, see my process with my accounts, how many views I get, what I'm doing. And yeah, if you want to learn yourself, you can join to the school community. If not, it's also okay. And I will see you on the next video. Peace.